What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Weather isn't really the best, but it is what it is. Said it's ammunition factory. I think it's World War II-ish, I'm gonna say. We're right at the very top of it before we get down there, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of views. Can't see a whole lot up here. Some nice tagging. I'm gonna be going down and through there, so I'm not gonna record a little walk down because I'm probably gonna fall. But we'll update you when you get down there. So the descent is still ongoing. Slippery weather, rain, probably not the best, but we are getting there. You can see a little bit more from this level than you could up there. How cool is that? I do believe you can go underground in some of it, so hopefully it's not flooded, because we're way up in the mountainside.
Yeah, this way.
Kurt's found the way. So, made it down without falling, always a bonus. I know you can't see a whole lot from down here, but there's one little access point there that goes underground, which I'm excited for. This also looks pretty epic. Yeah, another way here, Kurt, as well. See the little tracks going down. That's awesome. Obviously going to get the torches on. Don't know how much you're going to see with the GoPro, simply because, you know, dark doesn't mix. That's doors that go right through. That's epic. Actually, do you know what? Let's take you down here now. Let's have a little look first. It looks like it's a tunnel that goes around, to be fair.
Yeah, I think it goes the other one.
With the doors there. 2 seconds, guys, I'm gonna get the torch on. There we go. It's a little bit better in here, guys. Obviously, as I said, GoPros in dark places aren't the best because of the sensors on them. This looks like it would have been the main entrance. It's not a whole lot to see. And you know what, look at that good condition that's in. Still doing its job, still bone dry in here. And that's some pretty cool doors, I like that. There we go, that's that side. To be fair, I'm excited to get into this one. So we're back outside, back doing a little lap of the place. You can see it's rather damp down here. That's where we started the little adventure. Some pretty cool stuff in there. People have just tagged over it, which is a bit of a shame. Yeah, you got doors that go in there, man. These are cool. Awesome. Standard SpongeBob over there. This is cool. That's pretty damn awesome. Are you taking a shot there, Kipper? Just gonna have a quick little wander down. It's cool though, isn't it? Don't know how much you're gonna see of this, guys. You know, it is. That's what you're working with in here.
Obviously, this probably would have been the main part of the.
Oh wow, this is cool.
Do you know what this is like? Drakelow.
It just keeps going and going.
This machinery.
Is there machinery in here? Just gonna have a look. Look at that. Cool, look at this. Damn, this is awesome.
This is cool.
Is it machinery, was it?
I think so. Either that or it's like, you know, in Drakelow, they have the metal
Grids.
Oh, it's an elevator, isn't it?
I tell you what, I think Forsaken Paranormal needs to
Elevate that.
do a couple of hours here. So obviously that would have taken the animation up and down. Man, that's cool.
Elevator, innit? Do you think it would have gone down more? What do you think?
Well, the weights are down, aren't they? So either that's the elevators down there, or, oh, the elevator's up. So to take it to the next floor up.
This is wow.
This is pretty damn sweet.
Stairs.
Yes.
That means we can get up to the ones outside. You know, the ones.
C9, like the original stuff up there. This seriously has Drakelow Tunnels vibes, you're right. Oh, look at the stairs that side also.
The stairs are quite new as well.
And look at the look at the paintings on the wall and stuff. You have been cursed. Boy, this is cool. Did you hear that, Ed? Awesome.
This is cool. What do you think of this? This has gotten deeper than I thought.
What is French?
You know, like shit movie.
Have anyone ever seen, like, let's say, John and
I haven't seen much on this at all. I've seen pictures and stuff, but I don't know how big it was.
Stairs beer, guys. Ah, this is so damn cool. I wish you guys on there could see as much as what I can see. Hopefully you can.
Someone's taking a piss out of my car. Betty's gay.
Awesome bio B10.
This is mine.
Man, this is cool. Stairs.
Not much, but you know, why always
Oh yeah, it's just got that old school vibes. I can't wait to get some camera shots in here. It's just the way the water echoes and stuff in it. It's like honestly makes you think of you and stuff in it, doesn't it? I'd love to run a K2 in here. Let's pick it up over there, guys. Right, guys, we're getting back into it. We've done a little bit of photos. Again, it's pitch black in here. They're on about they found a little something over here.
stick your eye through it?
Oh man, that's epic. Where does that go, innit? That's what you can hear. That's gotta be old skate shoots or whatever, tunnels out here. Man, that's cool. This place is epic.
fucking swim.
Do you know what? Literally, bro, I might explore it and then shoot some pics at the end of it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Oh, you got holes in the floor in here as well. Blooded holes in the floor. This is insane. Not as much graffiti down this end either. Epic. Just a bit collapsing around here, maybe, I don't know. So obviously this is the furthest tunnel. Stick to showing you wall because you can't see a whole lot, but hopefully me talking to you will sort of give you an image of what you can get in you. That's an old light fitting in it, that's pretty cool. Man, wow. Yeah, there's barely any graffiti this side. That's quite old school, isn't it? This is a house. I think random wooden beam. What's that? Where would that come from, man? That be used as part of an old table or something? It's got grooves cut out of it. Electric box. Obviously powers.
There's only one without graffiti.
The rest is covered. What's all that about then? Ah, someone bloody sprayed a Snapchat on it. Send nudes. I'm half expecting to see Dan Disorder on the other side. Shout out.
We should actually snap them and snap pictures of us.
Jord. Almost like that's meant to be here. So, piping. Yeah, that man as well. Alright guys, I think that's near enough it for this floor. A lot of it's been bricked up unless it's a work in progress starting. So that looks quite new bricking. Garage. Piri piri. Someone's been sleeping rough up in now by the looks of it. Right, on we roll, guys. Right, we're doing it. We're gonna head up the stairs and see where it actually goes, guys. You just see it coming into shot. What little candles on you?
Yeah, someone's probably set them up in there.
You make a nice photo shot, actually. Oh yeah, it just goes to more
Oh, sorry, it's wrong there.
what a footprint on the wall, Jesus. Oh, look at this. There's a lift.
This is cool, huh? Look at the roof like that.
Good curve on that, man. That's epic. Scream, baby, scream.
Oh, wow.
Man, this is epic. Stoned. Guys, it's in such good condition. Hello. Some of you followers know we do the paranormal investigations. I think this is a location we're going to have to do. Century is a place to be, she said. Oh, me? No. Delicious, man. That's epic. Is there anyone up in here with us? That's damn cool. This is really cool, man. Come up with. Oh my god, wow. (2010). Guys, I love it. Alright guys, as you can see, we've made it back outside. Literally, the entrance ways, I'm guessing there's going to be another door this side which is going to be locked. That was one hell of a pretty epic explore. Something certainly different, something I haven't done before. On this sort of scale anyway. So we'll wrap it up there. Hope you've enjoyed it. Apologies, this is going to be a little bit dark in places. Let me know what you think. hit like if you like it, and yeah, peace and love as always. Boss out.